Today I'll be reviewing to you on how to make AI video as a new beginner. You heard me. How to make AI video as a new beginner. Alright, welcome back to my channel. This is the first time that you come across my video on Spokeable Insight. Here we reviewed on how to make money online and how to make use of AI to make money online. It's very simple, no stress. So don't just waste your time. Is it the first time that you come across this video? Please kindly hit the notification button that anytime that I see a new update, you will be the first person to see it on your mobile phone. Just focus on this video I'll be reviewing here today on how to make AI video as a new beginner, a complete guide. Let's go. Alright, AI video are created with the help of artificial intelligence tools. You can make a story, animation, motivational video, tutorials, and YouTube content without needing advanced editing skill. Yes, without needing advanced editing skill with the help of AI. Alright, let's head over to the niche that you want to focus on. Yes, as a new beginner. Alright, choosing your video idea. Start with a simple idea. You heard me. A short story. Yes, you don't know what to go for. Yes, start with a simple idea, a short story, motivational message. Motivational message. You heard me. Bible story or drama. You don't know what to go for which niche, you can also go for educational video. Educational video. AI educational video. Or you can also go for administration character. Yes, and also make an example, yes, of administration character story. Example of a poor man who never gave up and become a successful in life. A poor man who never gave up and he become a successful in life. Number 10 is you can write a script. Yes, through the help of artificial intelligence, you can write a script using AI to help or create your script, including introduction hook. Make a story, message, ending call or call to action with the help of AI. Step number 3, create AI video in a series. Create AI video in a series. Tools you can try. You can try Canva. Yes, you can try Canva. You heard me. You can try Canva, AI designer and video editing. Yes, you heard me. You can try Leonardo AI in image. All those tools you can try it. It worked for me and it also work for you. What of the next app to use to create AI video or picture editing? You can go for DALL-E image creation. DALL-E AI image creation. Step number 4, turn image into a video. Turn image into a video. Yes, you can turn your image into a video. What are the steps or the app that you need to turn image to a video? You can use CapCut. Yes, CapCut is most important. You can use CapCut, what you call free version. As a beginner, friendly AI video editing. Alright, let's go to the next app that you can use. You can use Runway AI video generation. Runway AI video generation. You can also go for Pika AI. Yes, Pika AI video effect. AI video effect. What of step 5? Hear me? Step 5. Add AI video. You can add animation using Lab. Yes, using Lab CapCut video feature. Step number 6. Step number 6. Step number 6, you heard me. Editing your video. Editing your video. You can use background music. You can use background music, caption, transition, sound effect. Sound effect. You heard me. Step number 7, uploading your input. Uploading your input such as your YouTube. Make a strong title. Create an effective thumbnail. Post consistently. Post consistently. Check with video and get more view. Check with video and get more view. You heard me. Beginner workflow idea. Alright, next time we will continue from where I stop. Beginner workflow idea. Alright, is it the first time that you come across this video? Please kindly drop your comment, like and share my video. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thanks for watching Unspoken Insight. Like, comments, and subscribe.